Integrations with Webhooks.
अर्जुन,
आंख, मात्र आंख, और कुछ नहीं।
जो तुम्हारे भाइयों को दिख रहा है वो तुम्हें नहीं दिखाई देता? पक्षी, वृक्ष, शाखाएं, फल। अंधे हो क्या?
मेरी आंख मात्र पक्षी की आंख देख रही है आचार्य।
तो छोड़ो बाण।
I hope you liked the clip demonstrating how Arjuna targeted the eye of the bird, and hence the webhook worked in an equivalent way and triggered for a specific event and resulted in the output. In a comparable way, if I told you that you can automate your e-commerce business operations, save your time and reduce errors. Let's get into the agenda here. We'll talk about what are the webhooks, why we use the webhooks in the e-commerce business, and how to implement webhooks. We'll talk about one specific real-world example, as well as we'll get into the demo of the webhooks. So, what are the webhooks? Webhooks are the automated messages sent from one app to another when a specific event occurs. Think of them as a real-time notification that keep your system in sync without manual intervention. To explain in simple terms, webhook is like a doorbell. When someone presses the bell, a signal is sent to alert you. So why we use the webhooks in e-commerce? In the first phase, world of online retail, efficiency is the key, and webhook helps by automating workflows. Automatically update the inventory, process orders, and notify customers. In the real-time data transfer, ensure your systems are always up to date with the latest information. And it helps by reducing the errors, minimizing the human mistakes by automating repetitive tasks. Now, how to implement webhooks? You need to identify the integration points, determine which part of your business can benefit from automation. We need to choose a webhook provider for that, and platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or tools like Zapier can help us set up webhooks. In order to do that, we need to generate webhook URLs, create a unique URL that will receive data from your application. And to do that, we need to configure the events and triggers. Set up specific events that will trigger on the webhook, such as a new order or a customer sign up. We need to implement the security measures, use the HTTPS and authentication to protect the data. To test those webhooks, we need to ensure that everything works smoothly before we are going live. And in order to monitor those performance, regular checkup those webhooks are functioning correctly and efficiently. Let's now discuss one real-world example. Imagine a customer places an order on your website. A webhook can instantly notify your inventory system to update stock levels, alert your shipping department to prepare the package, and send a confirmation email to the customer, all without you lifting a finger. Let's now quickly jump into the demonstration of webhooks. I'll just showcase you how we have configured on our website to get those alerts. Let's quickly get into the demonstration of webhooks. So I have just put three specific pages on this screen. So in the middle, you could see this is one of our website where we have configured the webhooks. And in fact, on the right hand side is one of my dummy Gmail account. Once we'll initiate the webhooks, we will going to receive an email. How those things have been done? It has been done on one of the tool called Pabbly Connect. It is similar like Zapier, N8N, or Make. Means you can use any one of the no-code solution for triggering that particular webhooks. So let's get into it. I'll go to the dashboard where either means the user can log in through the Google. In case if someone want to have a free access, is just provide the free access. I'll just take this dummy email ID at Okay, and just submit it. We need to just wait for the email to come. Right, so we have received an email. Okay, let me show you. So I just received an email. The ID has got created in the system, and he would have got the access to one of the portal. Okay, this is once I'll just go and sign in. It will ask me to create a password. I'll just create password. I'll just complete the registration. Okay, password did not match. Okay, let me try it again. I hope so this time it should work. Okay, yeah. So once the password has been provided, I'll get an access to particular portal. So this is the free access have been provided. So once you get into the portal, you will get access to certain material. Let's not get into this right now. What I'll show you is how this have been triggered. So in the webhook, what we have done is we have taken one form, which was this form, right, which was configured in one of the application called ConvertBox. You can use Google form or you can use any other form wherever you have been easy or easy to manage or have a good understanding about it. So there is a webhook URL which we have taken it, which will hit this particular trigger, this particular application to uh, fetch those details. And after that, what we have done is we have just verified by through in one more application which is called Hunter, which do as email verification. So there should not be any dummy kind of fake or spam emails get submitted on the system, just to ensure that these have been taken care of. Then certain values have been matched to it, and then we have provided the access to the system, the one which you have seen over here. The user got logged into this portal. Okay, just to see the history or detail of it, I'll just quickly go and show you the workflow as well. Let me refresh this. Right, so this one is the latest one. If I go and click over here, show the history, open in the new tab. Okay, so over here means it has fetched some detail, like this was the email ID which we have used. Okay, it has taken my name and then email ID, and then it has taken that form details, right, and then it has verified those email whether it's an correct email or not, and then it has verified those conditions, and the trigger has been means initiated in such a way that it has provided an access to the system as well. That's how the webhook works. So I just use the name and the password, nothing else, and the access have been provided, right? This is one of the easy way to do it when we are configuring the webhook. Wow.
Thank you.